So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Zoho Contracts from your Zoho CRM account. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website that will arrive and log into your account right here. After that select profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, you guys will need to select this settings icon right here and now select Zoho option. Now scroll down till the last and select manage button of Zoho Contracts. After that you guys will get on this page right here, and now just skip this button right here and select this uninstall button right here. Now select this OK button and you're done. Now you have successfully uninstalled your Zoho Contracts from your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.